What's the meaning of contrastive? Contrastive. Contrastive.
Contrastive. Contrastive. The term contrastive refers to the comparison of two or more things, highlighting their differences or similarities. It involves distinguishing one thing from another by emphasizing their distinctive characteristics. The result of a contrastive analysis is an assessment of how different or similar two or more things are. This analysis can be applied to various fields such as language teaching, psychology, and computer science. Ultimately, the purpose of a contrastive analysis is to aid in understanding and improving communication between people or systems with different backgrounds, cultures, or languages.